Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in the middle of cooking dinner and this is not the recipe for today. So I'm making some dinner for the family, but we're going to see some friends tomorrow and I am supposed to take a dessert there. So I thought I'll make something new and I am thinking a coffee, Bailey's, chocolate caramel cake. And I think it sounds very, very delicious. Super simple, of course. So let's get baking. In goes 300 grams of self-raising flour. Next, 300 grams of caster sugar. Just a pinch of salt. Just mix it gently first. Then add a bit of vanilla, a teaspoon I would say. Just got a tablespoon of instant coffee powder. Gonna add a tablespoon of boiling water to this and just kind of swirl it and it'll dissolve quite quickly. I'm gonna add this coffee into the mix as well. And then I'm gonna add a couple of glugs of Bailey's, so around 50 ml. You could add a coffee liqueur or you could just skip it and instead just add some milk, just whole milk. Also go in 3 eggs. And here I have got like, I didn't get the butter out last night, so I've just put the pieces into the microwave for 30 seconds. And I'm just going to soften the rest of the pieces up by stirring it through because I don't want the very hard butter. So this should work well. I'm going to add 70 grams of yogurt. That's my butter in the microwave beeping. 70 grams of natural yogurt. And there is my melty unsalted butter. And all that's left to do is whisk it well. That smells so coffee and Bailey's. Oh, it smells lovely. So I'm using a 10-inch massive round cake tin because I'm cooking for a group of friends. And then I'm just going to transfer. So this mixture didn't need whisking too much. It just a couple of whisks and it came together nicely. And I'm going to get this into the oven at 180C or 160 fan. I set the timer for 45 minutes and the timer has just gone off and I just want to check on the cake. Ooh, oh, it might need another 5 minutes. There's only one way to find out. Oh yeah, it needs another 10 minutes. So I gave it 10 extra minutes. And let's see if the cake is done now. I think it's done before yep, that's, so it took a total of 50 minutes to bake. Just gonna get this out. Look at that color. I'm gonna let it cool overnight. I'm gonna finish this tomorrow morning. I'm just going to prepare a little kind of sauce syrup to go over the cake. So I've got 300 ml of double cream and to this I'm adding 3 tablespoons of tinned caramel. Of course, if you have got a ready caramel homemade, that's great. I haven't got it at the moment. I don't think I have the time to make it. And to this I'm also going to add a tablespoon of Bailey's or Irish cream. So I wrapped up the cake overnight in some foil and obviously it's completely cooled down. And what I'm going to do is just going to slice it into half. You can make it in two halves. So I haven't got the same size 10-inch round cake tins, which is why I made into one piece. If you make it into two halves, then the baking time will reduce to half as well. So please do remember that. And now just going to cut it in half. I'm using a bread knife, and then place it on the serving plate you're going to serve it in, and just use a skewer to make some holes all over the cake. Because that's going to help get this syrup inside the cake. So if you have time, you can do this an hour before you are serving, just because it will help soak up. I haven't got the time, so I'm just going to prepare the whole cake all together. So I finished the first cake, and then I'm going to use the skewer to just repeat the whole thing on this layer as well. And then I'm just going to pour whatever is left, all of it, on this cake. There isn't much left, but I'm just going to use it up. So for the icing, I've got 250 grams of cream cheese, and I'm going to just add in whatever caramel is left in here. It's all of it. So that is 390 grams of tin, and we use 3 tablespoons in the milk, in the cream. Just gonna whisk this first. Then I'm gonna add around 400 ml of double cream. And then I'm just going to whisk it until it forms soft peaks. You could use an electric whisk as well. So that's whisked really well. So I'm going to put, ooh, oh my God, this is going to be so damn good. So good. Just spread. Fluffy, looks sensational. This looks so good, and I usually never ever do this, but I can't resist. The cream cheese, the caramel. Don't worry, I won't put this back. Oh my God. Actually, I just need a spoon to eat that all up. Do you guys know that I've got a very sweet tooth? Anyways, that is looking awesome. I'm going to put the cake back on. And again, I usually don't do this, but I'm going to chop the top off. And I just want to get rid of the dome. Maybe I should have cut this before I put it on the icing. Ah, damn it. Oh, that was such a stupid thing to do. I've cut my thumb because it's a bread knife, so it's so sharp. Well, at least I haven't put anything in the cake. Damn, that'll do for right now. The rest, so I've just chopped up the dome. I couldn't do any more because my hands just gone off, and just use up all the cream, because why waste, right? Such goodness, why waste the goodness? The cloudy, light, fluffy, smooth caramel icing. And now, so I got some ready chocolate gifted by friends. So I am just using these shards because they taste delicious. They are kind of caramelly, salted caramelly. So there's lots of salt flakes on top here, as you can see. And I am just going to, because they're the same color as well. How cute is that? Just gonna finish the cake off with stunning pieces of chocolate. Right, and here it is, your coffee Bailey's caramel cake. Clearly I skipped the chocolate because I was busy faffing yesterday and didn't put any in the cake, but that is absolutely fine. Dun dun! So I'm going to take this, I'm not putting it in the fridge, I'm going straight away right now. So I'm going to take this to my friends and then I'm going to show you inside the cake while we're there. And here is the cake. Sorry, I didn't take a video of it cutting because it just got demolished, and it's absolutely delicious. Hope you guys are going to enjoy it.